Okay, on this one we want to completely simplify the expression. So we're going to be using PEMDAS. So please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, this is our order of operations. So first parentheses, well we can't combine those, they're not like terms. So can't combine those either, so we can go on exponents, there are none. So next would be to multiply, or in this case we're going to distribute. Okay, so first let's distribute the 5n. We'll have 5 times negative 10w, and then minus 5 times 7, that's our first one. Then we're going to distribute in this negative 4. Make sure not to forget about that negative. So negative 4 or minus 4 times 10w, and then minus 4 times negative 2. If you're having a hard time with these, it can be really helpful to write out this extra step right here. So now we'll just multiply. 5 times negative 10w, we get negative 50w, minus 5 times 7 becomes negative 35, minus 40w, plus 8. Negative 4 times negative 2 becomes a plus 8. Now, at this point, we want to combine like terms. We've multiplied everything that we can, so let's look at negative 50w and a minus 40w. We want to remember, keep that negative sign in front of the 40. So negative 50 minus 40, we get negative 90w. Now we have negative 35 plus 8. Well, what is that going to be? Negative 35 plus 8, we'll get a negative 27. So if that's hard for you, you can think you're down 35 and you have to come up 8, so now you're only down 27. And this will be our final answer. We can't combine the negative 90w and the negative 27. They're not like terms, so that will be it.